We spoke about transposing. We spoke about taking out the coefficient. And now let's talk about the exponents. Guys, question yourself for exponent can come in many ways. The x can be the exponent over x equal exponent. What do I mean? X to the exponent of 2 equal to, let me just say 9. Re transposing, which is by removing or shifting number loring ya adder or ya minus, which re the constant. Then re check the coefficient whereby re kgona go divide down that coefficient. This time re na le exponent. Exponent as a constant, I plus I minus re ka se kgone go shift. This is an exponent re ka se kgone go divide. So what do? Reintroduce what we call this root. We know this is a root. As much as you want on your calculator or in your books, this symbol is called the root. Guys, exponent in chaki root in chaki exponent. Example, a to the exponent of 3. To remove this thing, you must introduce the root. Again, this is the normal root from the calculator. Mara because now remember only a root, guys, like this. Only 2 I imagine imaginary 2. This thing really, so it's called the square root. Why we just square root? Because only 2. Baba sign 1, but only 2 What you must be aware of because the one 2. If you put 2 like this, 2 can cancel 3. So this means this square root, it can cancel this exponent of 3. Or do you cancel this root, and then 3 you cancel 3. Square root is, cube root. Root ya go ba le 3, it will cancel exponent ya 3. Then you can shala ka a ya gago. It doesn't matter on the exponent j. Go gabali b to the exponent of -7. Because you know that -7 kamoka. This means you go introduce a root ya over -7. Or -7, it cancel -7 o shaleka b. Le ge o ka ba le a to the exponent of -0.5. You orange this -0.5. We will introduce the root of -0.5. So it doesn't matter what the exponent ya gain. As long as you know go incha root ya gago tshwanetse tshwane le exponent ya gago. Same applies to go na le di root e le re break dira in the next video gore go ka ba le ba go fa b to the exponent of 3. Wena o no go ntsha this root go ra re o tlo erase o tlo isha to the exponent of 3 gore 3 e la go le root e ba go feeling the cancelane o shale ka b. I hope it makes sense. Exponent incha root incha the exponent. Re na le x squared equal to 9. How do we remove this exponent? Because remember, really, resolve x, we must make x subject of the formula. X exponent or subject of the formula. How can we remove it? Re-enter by the root. So this is when we're going to introduce the root. Again, x squared equal to 9. We're going to introduce the square root. Why introduce the square root? Remember, whatever you do on the left, you must also do on the right. Kama like square root, like square root. Because square root is changing. Le exponent ya 2 di cancelane o gona o shala ka x then equal to you no it's entsha ka ra calculator the square root of 9, which is 3. Or x ya go e lekana le 3. X to the exponent of 3 maybe nkare 27 equal to 27. So now the same thing, we have to remove this exponent ya 3. So range that exponent ya 3 range by removing it ka the root ya 3 the cube root. So this means we are there both sides. So this cube root it will cancel this exponent of 3 x 3. And then that is your answer. So just know we remove the exponent by the root. X squared plus 4 equal to 8. Ra tseba gore sentse re x the subject of the formula, and ra tseba gore whenever ka bona number le gore e kgona go transposiwa re transpose yona first before re ka divider or re introduce the roots. So go ra gore ka mo re tlo shala ka the x squared and then this positive 4 here to the other side, you have negative 4. And then rabale x squared equal to, what is 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is 4. And then now, renale exponent. How do we remove an exponent? Rinchaka the root. Root ya go tshwanetse e tshwane le exponent. And then they are cancelana. Then rebale x equal to, o dia calculator what the square root of 4, and then you go for 2. And then that is how you solve for x. Another one, there we go. Same thing, guys. Again, re learn ka transpose, re learn ka coefficient, now re learn ka the exponent. That's why again, you have to understand. So re shala ka this one because here I tsaba re ke term it here, and then re transpose 4 here. Re ba le 8 minus 4. Then 2x squared equal to, write it properly, 2x squared equal to, what is 8 minus 4? It's 4. Now, no renal coefficient. So you must get rid of the coefficient before o ka dira the square root. Why? Because go ka dira the square root, o tlo complicate deal. Go dira square root says ke sa 2 ebile ke sa x. So you can't say gore square root says you cancel exponent. Ha e bereke ka mokgwa. What about 2 even ka mogare? So gore ska batla o ke tlaka you must first start by removing this coefficient before you can introduce the root. So this means you tlo divide ka 2 both sides. 2 cancel 2 then over x squared equal to, don't forget that exponent. I get 2 cancel coefficient. I say cancel exponent. Exponent is alone. Then 4 divided by 2 over 2. Then no oka no shumisha the square root because uno concha the exponent. The commercial x because ye cancel ye. Then ye, what is the square root of 2? Clone over the square root of 2. Because 2 is not a perfect square, meaning gore ga ena square root. Square root sa yone e tlo go fa di-decimal 1,4 1 blah blah blah. So I'm leaving it in the most simplest way, but if your teacher wants you to write it in decimal, you can write it as decimal. There's no problem. Warke 1,41. Agar bara. It's not usual for Lena, especially grade 8, whereby ba re bana ka solve x question ya gago e answer go fa a root or a decimal. Is not often. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying asa gantši o ka re solve x ya go fa exponent. But if it does, tell your question paper ba can round off to the nearest 2 decimal places, round off to the nearest 3 or whatever, and then o tla bo we round off.